Hey, paisanos, it's the Super Mario Brothers Super Show!
With the Mario Brothers and plumbing's our game. We're not like the others who get all the fame. If your sink is in trouble, you can call us on the double. We're faster than the others, you'll be hooked on the brothers. Hooked on the brothers. Yo, you're in for a treat, so hang on to your seat. Get ready for adventure and remarkable feats. You'll meet Koopas and Troopers, the princess and the others. Hanging with the plumbers, you'll be hooked on the brothers. To the bridge.
Luigi, would you knock it off? You sound ridiculous.
I sound ridiculous? You and your goofy chipmunk imitations. Now that's ridiculous. Oh, come on, Mario. Well, give me a break. I'm practicing for my birdie lovers meeting.
Come in.
Pam Matteson! Oh, what are you doing here?
Man, why are you crying?
Hi, Mario and Luigi. I've lost my little puppy, Ike. Have you guys seen him?
No, I don't think so, man. No, me either.
Oh, where has my little dog gone? Oh, where can he be?
Are his ears cut short?
And his tail cut long?
No, I just gave him a light trim.
No, we haven't seen him, Pam.
Sorry.
I'll never find my little bundle of love and affection. Never!
Oh, wait. Don't worry, Pam. We'll help you find your little wayward folks.
Yeah, Pam, we like Ike. Dry those eyes, don't cry.
Oh, yeah, here, go ahead, try your eyes.
I feel better already. Oh, thank you, boys. I've always depended on the kindness of strangers. And you sure are strange enough.
Super Mario Brothers Super Show will return. Now back to the Super Mario Brothers Super Show.
Yo, it's the Mario Brothers, and plumbing's the game. Found the secret water, so we're working on the drain. Lend the princess a hand in the mushroom land. Join the action with the plumbers, you'll be hooked on the brothers. Now, evil Koopa and his troopers are up to misbehaving. They kidnapped the princess, mushroom land needs saving. Abusing and confusing, everybody discovers they can't help but be hooked on the brothers.
Plumber's Log, 3962. We found ourselves in the Kingdom of Youth. We heard there was a magical fountain of youth there, and King Goo Gaga Koopa was using it to satisfy his miserable thirst for doing bad.
This is the end of the trail.
Good thing, because this is the end of the trail mix.
Last one down to the Fountain of Youth is a prune Danish.
Fountain of Youth?
Prune Danish? If they've got food down there, let's follow them.
One sip from that fountain, and we'll all be 18 again.
Gaga. You'll be 18 inches tall when I turn the Fountain of Youth up to full power, you old fogey. Then you'll work for the Koopa. it's King Goo Goo Gaga Koopa to you. Ouch! Albatross! Catch those sniveling rugrats!
Yo, calamitous clam sauce. Koopa's capturing all those children.
They're not children. They're those old people turned young.
Gaga Goo Goo! Now you terrible tots will do all my chores while I play.
So that's what Koopa's up to. That no-good diaper dictator!
How terrible.
We gotta feed these kids somehow.
It's the miserable Marios, that mushhead mushroom and the pesky princess.
Let's get out of here.
Princess, speak to me! Baby like water.
Now I've got you where I want you, you pint-sized brat. Hey, show some respect for us grown-ups.
Move it, gang!
Koopa Pack, it's time to attack.
Watch out for the albatross.
This doesn't seem like a good time for bird watching, Mario.
Use the bomb nets, you featherbrain.
Holy pepperoni! Careful, Mario. She's not a sack of tomatoes, you know.
More bouncy, Uncle Luigi.
Stop or I'll tell on you. I've been hanging around these kids too long. Net them, you flying squawk box, not me.
Quick! Everyone on the seesaws! Let's beat it, boys. We'll hide until dark and then come back and free those bambinos.
But in the meantime, we got ourselves a baby princess to take care of.
I know about baby Brussels sprouts, mini frozen pizzas, tiny tortellinis, but I know nothing about pint-sized princesses.
Fellas, what's to know? If she gets hungry, we feed her. If she gets all goopy, we wash her.
And if she gets lost,
Ah! There she is!
I'll save her.
Tweet, tweet, tweet.
Here, baby princess. Uncle Mario has a big surprise for you. But that's not it!
Mario, what are you doing down here? The princess went that away.
Leaping lasagna! Our baby princess is in big trouble!
Super Mario Bros. Super Show will return. Now back to the Super Mario Bros. Super Show.
Now what do we do?
This looks like a job for Sky Plumber and his homemade hang glider. Faster than a vanishing clog. More powerful than an electric drain snake. Here I come, little princess. Yo. Going my way, Bambino. Cut it out, princess. I'm ticklish.
Know who's in charge. After a nice tubby-wubby, we'll take a nappy-wappy and... gotta stay on the rafty-wappy, your littleness. Huh? Help! Mario! Luigi!
Holy ravioli, Mario! Look!
Oh, no, not for long.
Hurry, Mario, before the trouters get her!
There's not much sitting in this babysitting stuff.
There will be, if we can get her to take a nap.
Hush, little princess, don't you cry. I'm gonna buy you a pizza pie. And if that pizza pie gets ate, Luigi'll buy you a New York steak.
Please stop crying. Look, baby princess, I have pretty fireflies for you. Pretty. That ought to keep you quiet.
I hate babysitting.
Oh, come on. The princess isn't so bad. Look at her.
Holy spumoni, she's gone.
She must be following the fireflies.
And they're headed right for Koopa's castle. Come on!
Pretty. Baby want you. No! She's gonna fall in!
You get a younger princess and you'll disappear. Koopa took the control dial.
Now we'll never get the princess back to her right age.
Sure we can. We just have to reverse the flow of the waterfall.
You'll never get away with it, you noodle noggin!
Patty cake, pasta man. Give me pasta power as fast as you can.
Good thing we used the extra pipe for this Koopa catcher, huh, Mario?
I'll fix you!
What? Huh? I'll be back to get you when I
nice if I say so myself.
Wow, I forgot being a kid was so tough.
So did we. Look, we're grown-ups again. We can stay up till 10 o'clock. Yippee!
If you guys ever give up plumbing, you'd sure make great babysitters.
Princess, the only sitting I want to do is down to a big plate of pasta.
Oh, Pam, what's the matter? Is your pizza cold?
No, it's fine. It's just that Ike used to love pizza. His favorite was black olive and Canadian kitten.
I see some dogs, but no puppies.
Oh, there, Pammy.
It's hopeless. I'll never find my Ike. I miss him.
Take it easy, I'll be right back. Mario Brothers Plumbing, you clog them, we clear them. Huh? Oh, gee. No, Raleigh, I didn't forget about the Birdie Lovers Club meeting this weekend. Okay, thanks for calling. Of course, I'll see you there.
You know, Luigi, if you could do dog calls the way you do bird calls, we could really help Pam.
Gee, dog calls. I wonder.
Ike used to call dogs all the time.
Whoa. Mario, calm down. Are you looking for a snack?
No, I'm looking for Pam's dog, Ike.
Here are some scenes from the next Legend of Zelda.
This is the Triforce of Wisdom, Link. The evil wizard Ganon has the Triforce of Power. Whoever gets both Triforces will rule this land forever. You must help me, Link.
Hey, for you, Zelda, anything.
Girls are crazy about flowers.
Flowers. Right. Thanks.
Good luck, my boy.
Yeah!
Daddy!
This always happens. Duty calls.
Link! Stop him!
Hey, I'm trying, princess.
You really think that you can summon Ike by barking like a dog, Luigi?
Well, I'll tell you what, Pammy. I mean, according to Hanson's Guide to Doggy Dialogue, it says here that I will be replicating the precise barking pattern of the canine in question. See that?
Maybe you should just bark like a dog does.
Well, I'm going to do that, too. Now, if this works, Pam, Ike will be here faster than pigeons to popcorn, huh?
Go do it, Luigi.
You got it. All right, stand back, give me a little room. First, I'd like to present what I call the Chihuahua. Hold on, there's something in my throat. I'm just starting. I got it now. Next, I'm going to do what we call your lasso opso.
Hey, Pam, what kind of a dog is Ike? I mean, we could be here all day.
Well, he's mutt, part poodle, part basset hound, a little bit of country and a little bit of rock and roll.
Can you do mixes, Luigi?
Hey, I don't know, Mario, but give it a try, huh? All right, stand back. Here it is, my poodle basset combo.
It's Ike.
Ike, come to mommy. Come to mommy. Come, baby. Come here. Yes. Come here. Yes. Oh, you're a doggy funny genius, Luigi. You got Ike back.
Ah, well, it's really nothing. Always a pleasure to do something for a girl like you, Pam.
Thank you, guys. I won't forget this.
Hey, all those dogs.
Hey, I guess I'm a better dog caller than I realized.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh?
What are we going to do about that elephant and that horse? Gotcha. Stick around, paisanos. We'll be right back. Till next time, everybody. Do the Mario.
Do the Mario! Swing your arms from side to side. Come on, it's time to go. Do the Mario. Take one step, and then again. Let's do the Mario all together now. You got it. It's the Mario. Do the Mario. Swing your arms from side to side. Come on, it's time to go. Do the Mario. Take one step, and then again. Let's do the Mario all together now. Come on now, just like that.